like, hold on. Give my pockets a break, please. 2025 did not give my pockets a break. Welcome back, my shopaholics. And if you're new here, I am Buy Me the Mall. And if you're like me and can't stay out of those stores, you've come to the right place. I buy and review the things that I love so that you don't have to. And if those things speak to you, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I post weekly, and subscribing ensures that you don't miss a post. Okay, shopaholics, it is that time of year. We are in the end of the year and we went shopping. So it is chapter 12 of 12. And as you can see, we're in the Christmas spirit. So we're feeling a little bit differently, in a different space today. We have our Christmas tree. And I hope you guys are feeling the love, the joy, the happiness that the holiday brings. But of course, our pockets are feeling it as well. I mean, my God. Ooh, the money has been going, okay? We had Black Friday. We had literally like Thanksgiving deals. Now we have end of year deals, Christmas sales. And I'm like, hold on. Give my pockets a break, please. 2025 did not give my pockets a break, okay? I'm just like, I don't even know. The end of the year, everything I bought in 2025 is going to be a video that you don't want to miss. So go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? But here we are today. We have went shopping, but these are actually anniversary gifts, okay? So we have a YSL here, and we have Louis Vuitton. So my husband and I, we actually like to do traditional gift giving, but we have a tradition of our own as well. So for traditional gifts, we go by the year. So this year was our year 4, and it was fruits and flowers. And of course, my husband always gives me like flowers all the time, but he went a little bit and did something a little differently this time to give the fruits and flowers. I just got him shirts that had like flowers on it, but we have a tradition of our own where we do hats every year. So we kind of started it on the honeymoon, and I'll insert a picture. So we did our honeymoon Mr. and Mrs. hats, and then we did year 1 of our anniversary was Coach hats, and year 2 was Michael Kors hats, and year 3 we had the New York Yankee hats, and then this year we got YSL hats. So I thought this would be good to share with you guys. So it's just a tradition that I kind of love because it just gives us hats, and we wear them all the time and throughout the year as well, and we still wear the old ones, of course, but it's nice to have that you just have it every year. So this one is actually mine, and we have worn these, so I'll show you guys a picture of us in them. So I got the tan, I think it's like tan, it's like a tan snow color. I meant stone color. See, I'm in the Christmas spirit, guys. And then my husband's is the black color. So he has the black YSL hat, and yeah, on the inside this is kind of what it looks like. I think they were very cute, very stylish. This has a little lint on it, but you know they're very cute, very stylish hats to wear. And yeah, we do this every year. So year 5, if you guys have any suggestions, what hat should we do next? You know, I'm always looking for suggestions. If you guys have any really cool hats that you can think of, please let me know in the comments. And how do you like this tradition? Would you guys do the hats for every year for your anniversary gifts? Or what traditions do you might have that, you know, someone else doesn't or I don't? I would love to hear. So let me know in the comments. Sharing is caring, and it can be fun. Okay, so for the flowers, like I said, he did a little bit out of the box. So he got me something from Louis Vuitton. I'm not sure if this is the flower, but we'll see. But it was really cute and cool. So we were in Dubai when he got this as well. Oh yes, this is it. Okay, so for the flower, let me put this stuff down here. He actually, oopsies, this one came off. But he got me little rings from Louis Vuitton. And you know, Louis Vuitton has their flower that they, that's their signature. And he got me these little chain rings, and I'm gonna show it to you like this, and then I'll put it on to try it for you. But these are so cute. I hope you guys can see them good, but they're so cute. And they're actually different sizes. So like this one is the really tiny one. And I have been saying I wanted some more rings. This one is really tiny, but it can fit this finger. Kinda. It can definitely fit like my pinky, but I'm not gonna put it on my pinky. I'm gonna put it on this one because I like when it's a little tighter. Yes. And then this one. So yeah, as you can see, they're like this. And how cute are these, guys? So as you can see, the flower is right here. And then this one has Louis Vuitton, and this just has the little stone here. And I think these are so cute. And I think it's just such a unique gift that I would have never even thought of. And I like how the rings are not like just regular rings, but they have the little chain detailing on them, which is very, very, very cute. So that was one of my gifts. And then while he was in the store, they also had something that was only in Dubai and wasn't in the United States. And he saw the necklace and he was like, oh my God, this is so cute. And he knew I would love it, which I did. So he got me this necklace as well. And I have Louis Vuitton earrings, so it kind of just completes the set. I have the earrings, the necklace, and now the rings. Well, I should say the earrings, and now the necklace and the rings. But how cute is this, guys? Oh, it's a heart and it has the LV in it. Oh my God, I think this is so adorable. And then back here on this little chain detailing part, it also has the little LV. And I think this is so cute. I just love it so much. I think he did good. What do you guys think? Did he do good, or are we not feeling it? Let me know. Let me know. And again, let me know in the comments, what other, do you guys go by the traditional? They also have a modern anniversary gift giving, so you guys can do the traditional or modern one. We went traditional, but let me know what you guys do or traditions that you've come up on your own, and how do you guys like my hat tradition that we came up with. And are you guys, what different flowers and fruit ideas which you guys have come up with? Because this year was really hard. My husband doesn't eat fruit, obviously. He doesn't care for flowers, and I just got him like shirts and then of course the hats. But what gifts, and oh, and I got him this little holder. It can hold like wallet keys, and it had like the different fruits of the year. I got that off of Amazon. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, and what would you give your husband or spouse, wife or spouse, on the 4th anniversary gift for fruits and flowers. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I post weekly, and subscribing ensures that you don't miss a post. Also, I always clip a short for you guys, so please check out that short of this outfit of today. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, my shopaholics.